Okay, folks, I've been watching a bunch of the DIY videos on pretty much wheelchairs and other stuff like that. What, from what I understand, from what I understand and what I know by the loopholes in our law, thank you to the handicap law, you're allowed to make any electrical vehicle under 42 inches long and under 36 inches wide. It can be considered an electric handicap vehicle and go up to 55 miles per hour. If you make it a little bigger, you have a limit of 32 miles per hour because of the laws for migrants when they're migrating across the plains. As long as it's human animal are electric. The top speed is 35 miles per hour, and anyone can drive it. It's pretty much you're allowed to drive you're allowed to trek across the plains according to the federal government. And as long as it's electrical powered or manual powered, there's no legal problem. So what I'm trying to do right now is make a one-person, one-seater handicap electric car. I'm trying really hard to do it. I figured I bought a couple of different cars, like seat cars for hoverboards, but I don't have enough coordination with my feet to get the hoverboard to work properly. So I need someone to hook up a video game controller to a hoverboard. I know that can be done. I've seen it done a bunch of times. And I've been looking, I'm not able to find one for sale. So I need to ask people to help me do that. I need a DIY remote control hoverboard. And that's pretty much what I'm looking for right now. I'm not having any luck finding it. But, any help would be great. Thank you.